Hello students, today we will see the relation between, just a moment. Okay, so here is a relation, or better I will write at equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. Let us understand. So we know that the EMF of the cell can be used to calculate the value of equilibrium constant in a cell reaction. Okay, in the state of equilibrium. State of equilibrium. Okay, so let us consider a reaction taking place in a cell. Consider the following redox reaction. Redox reaction, we have zinc plus Cu2 plus will give me Zn2 plus copper. Okay, this is the reaction. Now for this reaction, we have, if we want to write the equilibrium constant value, we know that Kc will be equal to the sum of the product of the product concentration of the product over the concentration of the reactant. So here we have Zn2 plus Cu solid, then over the product of the reactants, that is zinc, and concentration of Cu2 plus. Also, we know that the concentration of the metal is equal to 1. So, for zinc solid concentration and for copper, it is equal to 1. So, we can write it as concentration of Zn2 plus aqueous over concentration of Cu2 plus aqueous. Okay. Now, we know that the Nernst equation, the Nernst equation for this reaction will be Nernst equation क्या हो जाएगा? We know that E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N log concentration of Zn2 plus aqueous over the concentration of Cu2 plus aqueous. Okay. Now, also we can write it as, since हमें पता है कि इक्विलिब्रियम ई सेल जो होता है इक्विलिब्रियम पे क्या होता है, जीरो होता है. ठीक है, तो above equation को हम दूसरे तरीके से भी ले सकते हैं। अगर यहाँ पे बिकॉज वी आर राइटिंग इट लॉग, तो मैं इससे थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई करना चाहती हूँ। जस्ट अ मोमेंट, I would like to write it like this for now. Just okay, so I will write it as removing this, I will write it as like this: E naught cell is equal to E cell minus 2.303 upon, since 2 electrons are given, 2 F, and this is RT, Zn2 plus aqueous upon Cu2 plus aqueous. Okay, now at equilibrium, E cell is equal to 0. So it can be written as 0 is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT upon 2F log Zn2 plus aqueous concentration upon copper 2 plus aqueous at equilibrium. Okay, then just a little. Okay, then we can also write it as E cell is equal to, इसको इधर हम ले आएंगे, ये हो जाएगा 2.303 अपॉन 2F RT log Zn2 plus aqueous upon concentration of copper 2 plus aqueous. Okay, then और further हम इसे ऐसे लिख सकते हैं: E cell is equal to 2.303 अपॉन 2F RT, और ये पूरी वैल्यू किसकी है, हमने ऑलरेडी ऊपर देखा हुआ है। Kc की वैल्यू क्या थी, जिंक, concentration of zinc over concentration of this, so it can be written as log, और ये पूरी वैल्यू को हम लिख सकते हैं Kc। ठीक है, अब या तो फिर हम इन्हें जनरल फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं। इट कैन बी रिटन एज so it will be not cell. So this will be equation we will get: E naught cell is equal to 2.303 upon NF RT log Kc. So this is the equation which we will get. Okay, and where n, what is n? N is the number of electrons transferred during the reaction. And if we are going to like अगर हम at 298 केल्विन पे देखेंगे and if we substitute the value of R and T, तो हमारे पास जो इक्वेशन आएगी वो कुछ इस तरीके से हो जाएगी. इट विल बी E naught cell is equal to 0.0591 upon N log Kc. So this is helpful for doing the numerical question. Okay, so in the next video we will see, we will do quickly do some numericals on this particular relation of equilibrium constant and Nernst equation.